In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix easy anti-cheat is not installed in Fortnite. So first thing you want to do is find the location. So I would show this as an example for Valorant as an example. So for example, if you go to Valorant, you want to type Fortnite and just open the file location. But here I'm doing it as an example for this game. I would open file location, and here you will open the file location again. So you'll come to this page and you will see somewhere a place where you're gonna find like easy anti-cheat, or you could just search for it here, like just type easy anti-cheat and then open file location. So what you want to do here is completely clear any folders related to easy anti-cheat. So you want to either like completely erase easy anti-cheat and delete it, or just delete the whole game, because the easy anti-cheat is inside the game folder. So if you delete the whole game, that will also do the job. So after deleting it, what you want to do is reinstall the game and relaunch it, because once you relaunch the game and reinstall it, the easy anti-cheat prompt will come and it will prompt you to reinstall it and download it. And once you download it, it will just run the easy anti-cheat and everything will be up and running, and that's it.